Good morning, welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we got a special video for you. We're gonna have a special guest today. I'm not gonna tell you exactly who it is right yet. I believe most of you probably recognize him. He just happened to be coming through Beckley, West Virginia today, and we're gonna meet for lunch. So yeah, we'll be right back with you, and we'll reveal who our special guest is today. Here comes our special guest in a Georgetown motorhome. Anybody got any guesses? No guesses? Little hint. He's very, very far from home right now. And he's been an RV tech for a long time. He's got an RV tech channel on YouTube. And any guesses yet? All right. We'll meet him here in just a minute, and then you'll know who it is. Howdy!
Hey! Look at that! I got Kenny over here.
I got James over here, and his son. And I can't remember
My son Thomas.
Thomas. Yeah.
Good to see you, Kenny. Hey.
Yeah. You too, man.
Something.
Yeah, I was so starstruck getting to meet a YouTube celebrity, I forgot to introduce our special guest. Just in case you don't know, this is James and his son Thomas, and James has the AZ Experts YouTube channel.
You do. I know, right? I'm lazy.
Yeah, man, what brings you to West Virginia, James?
Picking up this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Picking it up from Virginia. It was Suffolk, Virginia.
Yeah, that's an oldie but a goodie.
That's a bath and a half.
Really?
Yeah.
A bath and a half.
In 2005.
2005, bath and a half.
Bath and a half.
Get out of
3
town.
slide-outs.
That's
Ford's got the V10 on it. It only had 19,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
It's been pulling really well.
Yeah.
But,
that's probably a very unusual setup, isn't it?
It is. It doesn't have a macerating toilet. So it has the 2 gray tank, or 2 black tanks and 2 gray tanks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, that's
it's
awesome.
a little rough.
Yeah.
But it has new tires on it. That's all that I cared about.
It's an East Coast unit.
That's good to see you, man.
Yeah,
I'm
you
really
too.
excited about this.
Yeah.
I always like stuff like this.
Yeah.
There's got to be like a Newmar reunion or meetup somewhere, because there's been about 40 Newmars, like beautiful Newmars passing me.
Really?
Yeah. So
Wow.
There's something going on with Newmar.
Well, they might be.
I know there's a Newmar behind you.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't usually get all these nice coaches in this part of the world. They stay out in Arizona.
Well, I'm really glad you were willing to have me stop by.
Yeah. So let's go get some lunch.
Absolutely.
All right.
Hey, Kenny, good to see you.
Yeah.
You know, I was just in the neighborhood in West Virginia. Figured I'd stop by and say hi.
Yeah, well, I'm really glad you did. Get over here, Thomas.
My son Thomas.
Yeah. Yeah, we've commented back and forth on videos, we've talked on the phone, and I think it's awesome to get to meet you.
No, it's been fantastic. We've been online friends for a while now, so it's nice that our schedule finally met up.
Yeah, and
I know last time I was out here in April in Tennessee, we just didn't, we missed it by just a few hours, I think.
Yes, we did.
So it's nice that we were able to get it this time.
Yes. Yeah, and I think it's kind of cool too how our lives really kind of parallel too.
No, it's really interesting to get a chance to talk to you and meet you.
Yeah, yeah.
I've learned a lot.
Yeah, and it's just like I learned a lot from watching your videos. So
well, I learned a lot from watching your videos too.
How not to do stuff?
No, not.
You learned the hillbilly way. Don't do it the hillbilly way.
Sometimes the hillbilly way is the right way, I guess. It works, it works. It works, it works.
Yeah.
That's number one mechanic law.
Yeah,
it works, it works.
Yeah. So I guess you're gonna head on to Arizona.
It's a long road to Arizona from here.
Yeah.
Going to try to avoid the I-40 corridor this time. I'm going to try to go a little bit further north. and see a lot of the country I haven't seen before.
Yeah, well, cool. I'm really glad you got to see West Virginia.
I'm really glad I did too. I assume that this is the best weather and the best time to be here because it's gorgeous.
Yeah, well, you really hit a good day too. It's not really hot and humid either. So yeah, you hit a good day. So.
Well, it makes you feel better. Right now, it's pouring rain in Phoenix, so I'm missing actually what would probably be pretty unnatural weather right now back home. So
yeah,
I can't compare it to right now. This is actually gorgeous.
Yeah.
I've been just enjoying my entire trip.
Well, that's awesome. We're just really glad to get to meet you, and glad you got to see West Virginia, and just wish you safe travels on the rest of your travels, and maybe we meet again.
Absolutely.
I may be coming out west in the fall.
Maybe I'll come back out this way shortly. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's been weird.
All right.
It's been nice to meet up with you guys, and
yeah.
Guess we'll take this Georgetown across the road again and see how we're doing.
So yeah, that's going to be it. We just enjoyed our lunch with the AZ expert and his son Thomas, and me and Cameron, we're not gonna go up the road and fix another one. We're actually we're gonna go do something else.
We're taking the day off. I give you permission to.
Oh, hey, there we go.
Hey, it's a celebration.
So okay, we're gonna take the day off, and y'all have a fantastic day. Hey, you want to see something funny?
Yeah, for sure.
Look at this short cord. Go look at that short cord.
It's taken me everything not to get on the roof and see if it's damaged.
How many bubbles you seen this trip? I noticed this short cord hanging on this ladder. I believe it got drugged down the road. The ends are gone off of it. The prongs are gone off of it. It's all chewed up. Yeah, I believe that short cord got drugged down the road on this motorhome. That was a bad day. Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we got a very special video for you. God, I thought that one was gonna run over. Oh, good morning. No.